Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate milk using Hershey's Kisses or chocolate chips. They're basically the same thing. So we have a certain technique here. It's super easy. To start, we're going to add our chocolate chips into our glass. I'm going to use 3 Hershey's Kisses, and then you can vary the amount of Hershey's Kisses you want based upon how chocolatey you want and how much chocolate milk you want. And then next we're going to add a tiny amount of milk into our cup because we don't want them to burn while we're putting it in the microwave. And next we're going to go over to the microwave. We're going to put it in for 30 seconds. If the milk starts to bubble, it's okay. I promise. It's normal. And while you have your chocolate chips in the microwave, you should grab a spoon to stir up the chocolate milk. Now that that's done, you're going to stir your chocolate. It should break down fairly easily. Even if it looks like a Hershey's Kiss still, you should be able to stir it up. And then you're going to add the rest of your chocolate milk, or the rest of your milk into your desired chocolatey level. I like things really chocolatey, so I think that's going to be good for me. And that is how you make chocolate milk using Hershey's Kisses, a spoon, and some milk.
What's up, guys? Thank you for watching our video. First off, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Dr. Cowley, our sponsor, for making this video possible. Second, if you all could like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with future videos, that'd be great. Thank you. Bye-bye.